Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another great video presentation for Cardano's price prediction on May 2024. Indeed guys, the market is continuing its correction. We are in a place where the bullish pressure is needed to appear. Otherwise, we might confirm a continuation of this correction phase to an aggressive level, another powerful liquidation stage, and another double-digit 24-hour movement, which is going to hurt a lot of the traders. Right now, for the last 7 days, Cardano is sitting on minus 16%, so we need to see what kind of solutions do we have towards bullishness from the actual level we're trading before we get into the topic. For those of you that are interested, I'm still holding my BTC long right there on the exchange. If you want to be part of my trades with ChatGPT bot trading, we have the completely done for you trading. I'd like to talk about that at the end of the video, including the one-on-one coaching directly with me. Now, the conversation on Cardano is going to start from 4-hour candlestick situation. We're trading right now in our continuous and never-ending correction phase, which so far at the current price has a 47% movement from the highs of this current rally. 47% movement is not a joke. It is not a correction that has power to continue. It is a correction that is living, and it is having the ability to survive at this levels on selling pressure generated by the ones that are panic selling, by the ones that are confirming their incapabilities of trading and confirming their lack of knowledge as well in the trading field. So they're giving up on certain positions of longs or spot trades or leverage derivatives at a time the market has corrected 42% without any significant bouncings, which is absolutely crazy and it's absolutely wrong at the same time. Cardano is sitting on a very aggressive downtrending resistance line coming from the top, which has been very nicely confirmed so far on quite a few structures, if you're asking me. 5 arrows are pointing towards the structures where this resistance line has been confirmed, which means as soon as we break out of this, we are leaving out of the downtrending environment and we're going to continue to the upside. The discussion for May is not going to be how bearish are we. The discussion for May is going to be only about how bullish the situation of the altcoin market and Cardano is looking at the moment. So in this place, as we are speaking about it right now, you are sitting on a massive demand zone. You are sitting on a zone right here that is needing your reaction of buying pressure. It's needing the whales to react, and it's also the backed up by data place where you can long. It's sitting on 43 cents. Definitely a lot to go from here. Cardano was just a couple of days ago 17% higher. So what do we expect? What do we want? It's quite simple. We would like this support zone, demand zone to react positively and confirm the reaction here, especially on 4-hour candlesticks. We need the markets to reject and then continue their bullish rally by finally breaking out of this resistance trending line. When that breakout is going to appear, we are going to target the next supply zone at the top, which will sit on 58.59 cents and take the whole liquidity from that area, which is not going to be a big deal at all, guys. This is the route for May 2024 for me, which means that I'm easily going to target anywhere around 35-36% on Cardano, with possibilities of extending that into a movement up to 66 cents, which will actually generate me another, like a 55% movement from this level as we're speaking about it. Even if the markets are going to retrace back to the 200 days moving average, they gotta continue in the upcoming period. And the blue line 200 days moving average should be around this place. So the confirmation after the retracement must appear above 50 cents. Right, so you gotta push this one into 58 cents, and then if you retrace, you cannot cross 50 cents confirmed. This is the discussion for May 2024. Get back into the rally and push the markets into 66 cents, where obviously you're gonna have extreme difficulties to deal with. 66 cents could be a temporary top for the markets. And then, of course, they could prepare for the bull rally again and so on. That discussion is going to be in a different video. But at the moment, it's hard to speak about levels above 66 cents. That's it, folks. From this one, straight to the point, straight on the topic. Once again, we're looking for discovering how does the markets are playing around. And I don't think we are in a bad shape at all with the Cardano. Even though the markets are putting pressure towards the downside, that's exactly where you get into longs when the markets are dumping. And when the markets are sitting on the green side, that's exactly when you want to sell your cryptocurrency, no matter where you sold here, higher, or over there. It doesn't matter where you sold your crypto. At this time, you get it a lot cheaper. So you want to keep that in mind. You don't want to keep your positions as high as trying to hunt the tops, which you might not know how to hunt. And then you end up basically being part of the correction phase, which will actually end up quite bad for a lot of the people. This is the place they sell right now. A bunch of the guys sell at this level, folks. That's it where we are. Enjoy. Check out this video till the end. I'd like to talk to you about a completely done for you trading, including the coaching. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.